Welcome to Richie's Truck and Auto. What we're going to show you today is the inherent, very common failure of this A50 TCM controller right here. This is a 2011 Duramax 3500 HD. They've used them in 2011 through 2014. Then they switched over to the T87 controller. But it's such a very common failure. I just want to show you some of the symptoms. The truck came in with issues shifting, downshifting, upshifting, so to say, range, hunting, all kinds of very strange activities. When the tow truck dropped it off here, the truck wound up lurching in reverse, but there was no engine lights, which is very strange. Most of the other ones have an engine light with a P0700, which is a TCM commanded MIL, and it'll be accompanied by loss of communications with TCM, something like that. This one didn't have an engine light, but it does have the loss of communication with TCM as a stored code. The truck didn't move after I got into it and went to put it in drive and reverse and so on, but it was hunting back and forth in park, which caused it to lurch in reverse, which was very strange. I'm going to start this thing up here. So right now it's idling normal. There it goes. It just kicked up. This is one of the telltale symptoms of a failed TCM. This truck is tuned, so it should not normally be doing this, but it's almost like it just went into regen. Give it a couple seconds here, you'll start to hear the clicking as the transmission is cycling in and out of different gears while it's sitting still. This one, there it goes. This one did not exhibit any kind of traction control or StabiliTrak codes or messages or anything like that, but they usually have that as well. I'm not sure if you can hear it hunting, but the transmission is hunting back and forth right now. There it goes. It's actually jumping in and out of gear while sitting still. So I'll show you in the scan tool here. We have the U0101 lost communication with TCM control system. There's no other codes here except for a fuel filter pressure sensor, but that's it. No engine light, no messages. Let's see what happens when we put it in drive. Yeah, the truck doesn't want to drive. See right there? It's flashing drive, shift inhibited. That's basically game over for this truck if this gentleman was driving on the road somewhere. It's a relatively simple fix. However, you do need to have the abilities to flash and program this TCM. You need to flash it with GM factory file programmed to the VIN. And then if you do have or did have TCM tuning, you need to flash it with that as well afterwards. That is where it is located, right there, up on top of the radiator on the driver's side. And just want to show you one more thing. So this is how many of them we did this year. This is what they look like. The replacement ones are just the same. This one actually looks fairly new. But there's 6 of them there, and now it's July 2020. It's an average of just about one a month. But I did 3 in the last month alone. It appears these things fail more often in the warmer weather than they do not. I'm not sure if that has anything to do with the accelerated rate of failure during the summer months, but I think it is heat related. But nonetheless, that's it. Hope it helps you out, guys, when you get stuck on the road. If you get stuck on the road, hopefully not, and be able to get yourself moving again. You do need a GM technician to be able to help you out with this, or someone who's at least familiar with TCM programming and be able to identify the failure symptoms. Thanks for watching.